got myself a little bit ready. I started putting makeup on. I even, let me show you properly. I even put on some eyeliner. Good. Thank you. Which is not like me, but I thought I would try. And then I got dressed. And I'm wearing, this is a really old top from Sandro. I just thought I'd be cold if I wore anything shorter or thinner. I do need, what I want to get is the Wolford body that I was wearing the other day, but in white, because I have the black one. It's very warm and it's a lot more fitted. Obviously this is the top, so it cuts off there. Hold on, let me pause that vlog. And then I'm wearing these mango trousers that you've seen in a haul recently. I'm not sure what coat I'm gonna wear yet. What I would love, if I had a wool full length coat, that would be lovely, but I love the colour of these trousers. I think it goes really nicely with the gold jewellery. This is, this was my mum's, and these are just some little H&M ones. Let me have a look. What can I wear? I do have this guy, which is really old, from Urban Outfitters. Let's give it a go. Just looks a bit shabby. No, it's too slouchy for what I'm going for. I'm going to wear those H&M trousers because we're walking. Again, I'm going to go for a nice little walk. So I'm going to wear trainers, so I've got comfies on my feet. But I don't know what coat to wear. I could wear that guy too, but I wear that so often. I want to try and switch it up. Let me go figure out what I have and then we can experiment a little bit. Hello. This is my vintage coat I got in Shoreditch and Beyond Retro. This kind of goes with the light browns, but it's a bit red brown, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep looking. Okay, this is what I've gone with. Extra grey cardigan underneath to stick with the neutrals, and then put my coat over it. And I found a little belt, neutral one, which is silver, but it's fine. My earrings are tiny. Went through a few coats. I may go back to the black one. Do we hate this double layering? I kind of think it's okay. Do we prefer it on its own? Let me try it on its own. I just wish I had longer coats, but I do think this is the best option for today. Yeah, this'll do. So I've got some crisp bread with mayo, rocket and ham, like an open faced sandwich. The boys got the same thing in bread. And we're gonna have some lentil curls with it. Then we are heading out. Yes.
Chappelle.
Yum, yum, yum. Okay, let's just do it. Yeah. We got him! Okay, just to catch you guys up on those little clips then. We quickly ran into, we're waiting for a cab right now. We quickly ran into a shop that was, what was it, like a warehouse sale? Yeah. Kind of thing. And we found 2 bedside tables, which if you haven't seen our bedroom makeover video, you should. And, sorry, I'm just watching out for our cab. It said 4 minutes though. And the only 2 that matched were these 2. But we definitely think we could do a DIY job on them. So we just rolled them down the street onto a side road because we were on the main road. So we could get them home. I'm actually quite excited for this. I've missed doing our DIYs, I'll be honest. Yeah. You like them? Mm-hmm. Either way, like, they were £5 each. and we need something for the side of the bed right now, and this actually has like relatively good storage. So like, I don't like those ones that just have one drawer on top. Like, there's 3 drawers each, so that's more than enough room for your stuff. Probably not enough room for mine, but it's fine. I can put stuff in the other room, but this is good for now. Eventually I want bigger ones, but I think we could do a good little job on these. I'm happy for £5 each. Vlogmas. I'm pretty glad we went in there.
Yeah.
But now we've got to try and figure out how to get a cab home, because the delivery service was £25 each. £25 home, and it cost me £7 to get home from here. So I do hope not Uber, the Bolt driver lets us take them in.
Toyota Prius. Yeah, should be right.
A Prius. Yeah, the boot should be big enough. But yeah, more DIY stuff coming your guys' way.
Yeah.
Made it home, managed to fit, I've got Zoella's Vlogmas in the background. Managed to get the chest of drawers in the cab and in the house. I'm now going to get out of this, get straight into cozy, have a shower, take my makeup off and relax for a bit. But I'm going to do maybe a little bit of shopping. I'll show you guys if I do. My biggest struggle when it's hair wash day is brushing it. The boy gives me head massages at night, which is lovely, but it means it gets very, very knotty, and it takes quite a while to wash it out. I mean, I don't know if you guys can hear how tangled it actually is. Thank God for the tangle teaser. It actually does wonders and saves a fair bit of time. But I normally sit here about 20 minutes trying to brush it out, because most of the knots are obviously at the root of my head. Oh. Every time you think it gets better, it just, there's still more there. What I've noticed through doing up this room, if you guys watched the bedroom makeover videos, is that we don't like this room being messy, so we've done everything in the other room, which means that the other room is an absolute tip, and that's the room I ideally would like to do next, the wardrobe room, but the boy seems to want to do the living room. But that other room, I switched over when I was younger into this room on my own, but before I did that, I had that room painted blue, not a nice blue, and have I still got black eyes a little bit? I need to take off fully my makeup. I just did it in the shower quickly. Yeah, the walls are blue and the carpet is pink, and I'm pretty sure I spilled some hot chocolates or some sort of drinks in there, so it's not best kept carpet, and it has been there for over 10 years, if not longer. And it's a small little books room, so it's like perfect for the wardrobe room, but it needs some zhuzh. Ideally I would want Pax wardrobes like on most of the walls, because we also have a chest of drawers in there, which is where like the bed linens and towels are. So we do need storage, like proper storage in there, but obviously nothing goes. And the rails that are in there currently are from what I had in this room last year. To be fair, this room has been done up twice in a year, just over a year, like a year and a half. And that room has not been done in like 10 years, if not longer. Ooh, we're finally getting somewhere. It's sounding a bit better, isn't it? There's so much hair on this brush. I empty my brush out every time I brush my hair. I wash my hair I think maybe 2-3 times a week, so not like overly. I know I should do it less, but I do have irritated scalp from my Roaccutane, which I'm trying to get under control, but have not found a remedy yet. But so much hair comes out, but I can't really, unless I'm styling it, brush my hair when it's dry. It just goes into a big frizzy mess and doesn't look good. Whereas I don't mind my hair when I let it air dry naturally. It's got like a bit of wave to it, which I don't mind. There's a lot of hair here, so I'm gonna go empty this out, try and get the remnants of my makeup off, and then get some moisturizing on my face, because my face feels a bit dry thanks to winter. Just caught me checking myself out. My hair is still dripping a little bit. I generally like to towel dry my hair and get out as much of that soakiness as I can. I did just try and see if I had extra makeup on, and I don't. It's just my dark circles, which is something I want to get under control as well. If anyone has any recommendations, that would be lovely. But I can't handle my hair in my face, so I always have to clip it back, which obviously means that it takes longer to dry. Simple clip in my hair, and because I am going to be leaning back against my bed, I don't want my clip to be scraping against the walls that we just painted, so I do it like really high so it doesn't touch, so just the back of my head touches the wall. We have thought about a headboard, and I'm not set on any, so for now I like it plain with the wall in the back, but we'll see. I'm using this Rose Day Cream Moisturiser. I should be putting something heavier on, but I don't have anything, so I'm gonna pile this on as much as I can, and it will sit there, and the more I need, the more I will put on. But it does feel so light. My friend gave me that, which was lovely of her. And then I do have this cream for my neck. Don't know if you guys know, I got stung by a jellyfish. Can you see that mark on my leg? And it still gets quite irritated. So I got this cream from the GP. To be honest, it doesn't really do much, but sometimes when it's incredibly inflamed and itchy, it soothes it a little bit. I'm just gonna put that on because normally when I'm warm in trousers in bed, I do get irritated skin. Still coats everywhere from me trying earlier. These away. Okay, now I'm going to have a look and see what I can find of matching PJs. I want matching PJs for us to sleep in on Christmas Eve and then to wake up in on Christmas Day. So I'm gonna have a look. It's maybe a little bit late for me to look for this stuff, so we'll see what's left. We could just go red. I'm gonna browse. I'll show you if I get anything and if I'm successful. So I've been looking for a little while now and I can't find anything that I like anyway. And I don't just want to buy pajamas for 1 year and then never wear them again. I don't know why my chin is so red. Like, I want to get actually like pajamas that I like. So I was thinking I could get us like satin matching pajamas, but then you can't find any for men really, like affordable ones anyway. I have seen some expensive ones. And then like I was looking at just like satin shirts, because then there's plenty of like satin pajamas that I could find, and there could be a potential like color match in like another shop. It doesn't have to be the same shop, but then you can't find, I can find satin shirts, like oversized nice satin shirts, but I can't find trousers. So I think I'm gonna leave it for today. If I find something out that I like, I'll get it, but I just don't want to buy anything for the sake of it, especially if we're not going to like it and only wear it for 1 day. It's a bit of a waste. Not good for the environment either, but also not good for my pocket. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave it for today. Might potentially go and have a look at pyjamas like in store instead. I don't love the traditional stuff, so the ones I've seen anyway. And then like there's some stuff on like Wish and stuff like that, but I don't really trust. I don't have the guts to buy from there, to be honest, to just be disappointed when I get it. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm also gonna leave you guys here tonight. I'm literally in bed chilling, gonna catch up on some Vlogmases and just relax for the evening with my Christmas lights on in the background. It's lovely to look at. But yeah, I will. Woo, baloo. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you had a good day and see you soon. Well, not soon, tomorrow. Night, guys.